Welcome to another episode of Weekly Market View dated 7th November. We will cover the week starting from 8th to 12th November in this video. On the day of Diwali trading, Diwali Muhurt trading, Nifty closed with 87 points again at 17,916. Hope all of you have invested during the auspicious occasion of Muhurt trading. Nifty last week made a weekly high of 18,012 and weekly low was at 17,697. Last week's range was of 315 points and Nifty closed at 17,916 with 245 points gain. We had just 3 working days last week, and on Muhurt days trading on Thursday, Nifty gained with 87 points and there was a very good buying on Thursday. Let us move on to our AAA swing delivery recommendations, in which we booked profit during the last Samvat 2017. Let us have a look at the Nifty's chart on which we have marked our AAA swing delivery recommendations. Let's have a look at the video of Nifty's chart. You are watching now Nifty chart, which was trading at 12,431 level in January 2020 before the market crash. In February-March period, the news of the pandemic spreading in Europe and US came out, and market started crashing towards 7,511 in March month. We recommended Tata Chemicals in the March 2020 and booked 29% profit in that, and Cipla we booked 27% in April, and the Relaxer Footwears we booked a profit of 23% in April, and Sudarshan Chemicals we booked 15%, and in Granules India we booked 33%, and Apex Foods we booked 35%, in Mindtree we booked 16%, and Thyrocare we booked 32% in August 2020, and in September 2020 we booked 15% profit in Lupin, and in October 20 we booked 24% in Cient. In October 2020, Nifty came back and made a new lifetime high. Break this 12,431 January 2020's lifetime high. And during all this period, we continue to change our strategies, and during that market correction, and we know due to the pandemic, we made more profit in laboratories and pharma companies. Later, when the market stabilized and moved about 12,000 level, we booked a profit of 68% in JK Lakshmi. In Tata Motors, we booked more than 39% in November 2020. In Adani Enterprise, we could book 52% in December 21. After consolidation of 2-3 months, when we entered into 2021, market started moving up in May month in 2021. Then we booked a profit of 34% in Sensar Technologies. During that period, we could book a lot of profit in IT companies. Another stock which we recommended near 80-85 level was Exchanging. And in this stock, in Exchanging, we booked more than 52%, and we our YouTube clients and our clients made huge profit in Exchanging Solutions in June 2021. In July 2021, we booked 31% in ICIL, and in August, National Aluminium, we booked 22% in KEI, we booked 15% in Tata Power, we booked 42% in October 21, and in last week, finally in last week, we booked 16% in Shobha Developers. Our latest triple swing delivery recommendation, we booked profit is in Shobha Developers. We recommended Shobha Developers on 27th September at 800 level for a target of 925, and the stock reached target of 925 on 3rd November, and we booked more than 16% profit in Shobha Developers. Let's move on to a case study of Shobha Developers. If you are investing 2 lakhs in Shobha Developers, you can buy 250 quantity if the buying price is 800. And if you book profit at 925 level, you will be getting a profit of 31,250 in Shobha Developers, and this is 16% profit in Shobha Developers in very short period. This is the method in which we booked profit in Shobha Developers. We booked a profit of 31,250 or 16% for our investors who invested 2 lakhs in Shobha Developers within a few days. And this is the method in which we book profit in our AAA swing delivery recommendation method. Another pick in which we recommend a stock for a target of 100% profit in 1 to 2 years is Diamond Pick. Our first Diamond Pick we released in April 2021 was Orient Cement. We recommended the stock at 95 level in April 2021 for a target of 200, and the stock touched 185 during Muhurt trading day, and the stock is trading with almost 95% profit, and our target is 200 for Orient Cement, and I hope we will be getting the target by within 1 or 2 weeks in Orient Cement. Let's have a look at another chart of Orient Cement. We recommended that stock at 95 level when the stock made a breakout above 95 level. You are seeing the second chart, and let's see another chart. This is chart 3 of Orient Cement. You can see the stock moving above 95 level, and stock coming to a bullish trend with that level, and stock closing at 185 level. And we are seeing the chart 4 of Orient Cement. You can see these are the charts we use for identifying our diamond picks, and in chart 4 also you can see that the stock giving a clear breakout above 95 level. So this is a method in which we recommend our diamond picks. These picks are actually meant for investing minimum 5 lakhs, and our HNI clients invest in the stocks heavily, and actually one client who invested more than 1 crore in Orient Cement is sitting on good profit, and we have not booked profit in our diamond pick Orient Cement. They will start booking profit at 200 level within 1 or 2 weeks. Let's move on to Nifty's analysis. In Nifty's trading pattern of last week, on 29th November, Nifty closed at 17,671. On 1st November, Nifty went up to 58%. On 2nd November, Nifty went down 40 points. On 3rd November, Nifty went down again 59 points. And on Muhurt trading day, 4th November, Nifty went up 87 points. And Nifty gained 245 points last week, or 1.38%. You are watching now monthly chart. You can see after closing with a 53 points gain in October month, Nifty has added 245 points in November. In Nifty's weekly chart, you can see Nifty's 200 DMA is at 15,857, 100 DMA is at 16,840, 50 DMA is at 17,699, 20 DMA is at 18,070. In Nifty's daily chart, you can let's have a look at the major important support resistance levels. If Nifty move above 17,875 level, Nifty's next resistance levels will be at 18,190, 18,366, 18,604, and 19,061. In case Nifty move below 17,875, major support will be at 17,423. Next will be at 17,243, 16,693, and 16,062. Let's move on to Nifty's weekly trading range. When we fix a Nifty's trading range for next week, Nifty's upper range will be at 18,366 and lower range will be at 17,423 with a pivot point at 17,875. So next week's trading range will be between 18,366 and 17,423. Let's move on to investment strategies for the next week. Actually, we recommend 3 Diwali picks to our subscribed clients, and 1 recommendation in our YouTube channel free to all our viewers. Actually, we recommended 3 recommendations in last week and got huge profit in all our Diwali picks. Let's have a glance of all these stocks. In Lavapola, we got more than 40% profit. We entered in the stock at 215 level and booked profit at 300 level, and we got nearly 40% profit in Lavapola. Second stock in which we booked profit was Mahindra Holidays and Resorts Limited, MHRIL. And this stock we ended at 120 level during Diwali month, and we booked a profit of nearly 116% in MHRIL at 262. And the third one was our third pick was JK Lakshmi. We ended in the stock at 315 on November 20, on 12th November 20, and we booked 68% profit at a 530 level, and the stock continued the uptrend and went up to 860 points, and the stock actually went up more than 159% from our entry level of 315. In 2019, we recommended as a Diwali pick to all our YouTube clients. The stock was Adani Gas. We entered in the stock at 150 level for a target of 270 level, and you know the stock closed last week at 1,439, and the stock went up more than 1,339% from our entry level. Adani Gas was one of our best picks during 2019-20 period. Let's move on to our Diwali pick for the current year. We discussed about the stock in the previous video also. Actually, you can enter in Ujjivan Financial Services below 180 level. The stock is trading between 170 and 180 level for a target of 260. Actually, the stock corrected from 547 level, and during COVID correction, the stock even went down and touched a low of 124.65. As swing low was 124.65, and the stock has made a huge breakout during last 2 weeks, and is trading below 180 level. So you can consider investing the Ujjivan Financial Services for a target of 260 for during the next 1 year. So Ujjivan Financial Services is our Diwali pick. Let's move on to our stock of the week. Stock of the week is KPR Mill. Actually, we recommended this stock as our triple swing delivery recommendation on 18th October to enter below 475 level. Last week, after consolidation period, stock moved up and made a breakout to close at 512 level last week. We are expecting the stock to move towards 620 level, which is our target. So you can consider investing in KPR Mill below 510 for a target of 620 level. Let's move on to our technical pick for the week. The stock is Puravankara. The stock closed is an upward trend for the last few days, and the stock closed at 155 level. You can consider the stock to for investment for a target of 169 level in next coming days. So Puravankara is our AAA technical pick for the week for a target of 169. Let's move on to the stocks with the technical breakout of this week. The stocks are TVS Motor, Canara Bank, State Bank of India, MN Finance, and APL Apollo. All these stocks you may consider for investment for a target of 5% from Thursday's closing price. Wish you all a very rewarding Samvat 2078. Thank you.